Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your 2FA with Authy, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Authy app on your smartphone from your device's app store. Open the Authy app once it's installed. Create your account by entering your phone number and selecting your country code. You will receive a confirmation code via SMS. Enter the code in the app to verify your phone number. If prompted, set a backup password for your Authy account. Next, you will see the option to add two-factor authentication for your various accounts. Log in to the account you want to secure with two-factor authentication. Go to the security settings of that account. Locate the option to enable two-factor authentication. Choose the option to use an authenticator app. A QR code will appear on the screen. Open the Authy app and tap the plus sign to add a new account. Select the option to scan a QR code. Point your smartphone's camera at the QR code. Once the code is scanned, Authy will generate a verification code. Enter this verification code into your account's security settings to complete the setup. Make sure to note down any backup codes if provided by the service. Next, set up multiple devices for added security. In the Authy app, go to Settings and enable multi-device access. You can then install Authy on other devices and link them to your account using your phone number. Always keep your backup password secure. Enable the backup and sync feature in the app to protect your tokens. Consider activating Authy's recovery options for further assistance in case you lose access to your. Regularly check for updates to the Authy app for improved security. Keep your primary device secure with a strong password or biometric lock. Test your two-factor authentication process to ensure it works seamlessly. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your accounts with Authy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.